Hey guys, welcome back to Wagon Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we're going to show you how to reset the service indicator message on a Mercedes W203. So that will cover the years all the way, I think, from 2002 until 2007. We have that beautiful C-Class right here. It's a 2005 C350 Formatic, and when you turn the key on you can see the message right here that says, okay, service A exceeded by 103 days. So in order to reset it, what you need to do, it's a little bit of a complicated procedure, but stay with us to see how we're going to do that. First thing that you need to do, you need to put the key and turn it to position 1. Then you need to go to the mileage of the vehicle until you find the mileage right here and press this button 3 times quickly. Okay, and you see the battery voltage right here. And next, what you need to do, turn the key to position 2 right there. And now you go with these buttons until the service menu is displayed. Okay, right there. What you need to do now, press this button 1 time, and now you need to select oil type. And now with the plus and minus, okay, right here, oil type, and now with the plus and minus button you can adjust what kind of oil it was used. And what you need to do next, you need to press up or down button right here. And what you need to do after that, you need to push the reset button for 3 seconds. Okay, this button right here, and service confirmed. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.